Hi guys, this is Mehdi. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to find free copyright photos. Let's start. I will introduce you to one of the best sites where you can get free copyright photos. First, open your browser. The first site is Pixabay. In this site, you can find over 2 million free copyright images, videos, and music. For example, let me search food. Click on photo you like. As you can see, it's free for commercial use and no attribution required. That means you can use it in your work without any problems. Select free download. In this step, choose your resolution. After that, select download. Click on I'm not a robot and do this easy test. Finally, select download. Then select save file. After that, choose OK. The second site I want to introduce to you is Unsplash. First, let me show you the license of this site. As you can see, all photos are made to be used freely. So, you can download photos and use it without any problems. For example, let me search watch. Click on download in any photo you like. Then select save file. After that, choose OK. I hope this video was useful for you. See you soon in the next video.